Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Legendary Box Breaks. Time is now 6 o'clock, and we are ready to roll here with our 2013 Inception football box. I'd like to remind everybody to join us on Facebook under Legendary Box Breaks, and you can always check us out on Twitter under Legend Box Breaks. Also on Facebook, you can check us out under Brian Sports Card Corner. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and switch over to our random.org here. Got all the names plugged in. Going to randomize. Scroll down, randomize one more time. Copy and paste. I'll do a little run through right here so you can kind of see who's got what. And then we'll actually do a printout, and I'll go a little bit slower so you can see for sure who you've got. To wish everybody good luck. Looks like we got some familiar names on here. All right. Hoping for a good hit tonight. Got my Kenny Powers bobblehead out for good luck. And the printer is taking 3 hours. So while that's happening, just remind you to check out the website later on. We'll have another box up. I think next week we're going to do a 2013 Finest Football or something along those lines. We may do a multi-box break. We've got several things, and there's actually some good stuff coming out this week. We've got Immaculate Collection Basketball and some other things. So just check back with us on the website. We'll have something else up by the end of the night, and we may put multiple boxes up throughout the week. And away we go. If I can zoom in here. Alright, guys. Wish everybody good luck. Let's get this thing started. Remind you that all hits will be given out. So we're going to start with a Cam Newton Inception base. Carolina Panthers goes to Roy T. Next up, for the San Francisco 49ers, we've got Michael Crabtree. Nice looking card there. Goes to Matt. Next up, number 65 out of 95 for the Ravens. It's going to go to Zachary D. Nice looking card there. All right. Pittsburgh Steelers coming up. Nice looking card here. Numbered 9 of 50. It's a Landry Jones rookie autograph. Pittsburgh Steelers go to Zachary D. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Alright, good looking card there. Okay. Another nice looking card coming up for the Green Bay Packers. Got Jonathan Franklin rookie autograph patch, number 10 of 75. And that goes to Ron S. Very nice hit, Ron. Franklin's looked good every time he's got to play this year. Good looking card. Alright, up next, for the Buffalo Bills, another good-looking rookie, Robert Woods, jumbo jersey, and that is numbered 5 of 75, and that also goes to Ron S. Yeah. And last, we've got a Joe Flacco parallel, number 152 of 199, Baltimore Ravens, goes to Zachary D. Zoom in there. All right, guys, that does it for tonight's box break. I'd like to welcome everybody to come back next week and check out the website during the week. We'll be putting a new box up here and momentarily. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.